This video tells you how to handle tasks submitted through the Incident Eye app. Watch it if you are a manager who needs to assign tasks and track the work completion. You can view all tickets on the Tickets Incident Tracker page in the web service. To assign the task, open the ticket. Choose the agent who is going to complete the work and click Update. The employee receives the ticket to the mobile app, and you can start working on the task. Another way to assign a ticket, if you need to appoint it for a certain date and time, is to put it to the employee's calendar. If you want to schedule a task for a particular date and time, you can put it in the calendar in the Reslink web service. Go to the Tickets Incident Calendar page, choose the employee and drag the task from the list on the right. The task is added to the employee's calendar in the app. Incident Eye lets you work on the go. If you can't reach your computer at the moment, you can handle tickets in the Incident Eye app. To do it, open the task in the Ticket section. Tap Assign and choose the employee from the list. Now you know how to handle the tickets in the Reslink web service and in the Incident Eye app. To learn more, check out the Reslink platform documentation at docs.reslink.fi. If you have any questions, contact us at sales@reslink.fi.